Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have another episode of A Day Out with Peppa. I wonder where Peppa and her family are going next. Wow, look, Papa, it's a wheel loader.
That's right, my son. We're going to the construction site today.
Yay! Construction site! Wow! Look at all these mighty machines! Let's watch how it dumps the sand out. Papa, do you think I can get in a dump truck? I'm sure you can get in something. We'll have to talk to the worker.
Well, hi guys. I'm glad you could make it.
Wow, look at his hard hat. We definitely need to get hard hats on everybody at the work site. That's how we stay safe. Wow, and then can I get in a bulldozer or a wheel loader or an excavator or anything? Please, 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 please.
I'm sure once we have your hard hat on, we can take care of that.
Yay! Let's get our hard hats on. Wow, now we have on our hard hats. Now can we get in a big truck? Yeah, I want to get in one too. Wow, look at that big truck. I can't wait to get inside. Awesome, I'm inside a great big wheel loader. This is awesome! George, it's my turn. I'll get out so you can get in. Wow, now I'm in a great big wheel loader. Wow, that's a lot of fun.
I'm gonna have a turn myself. That does look like lots of fun. Woohoo!
Hey, thanks for letting us get in the wheel loader. I want to play in the sand now. I want to play in the sand.
Here, we have this really special sand for you guys to play in while we work. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah, it does. I love to play in sand. Whoa, it's my favorite thing ever. Oh, it's lovely. Ooh, Peppa! I'm coming, George. It does look like lots of fun. Wow, it's really soft. Shall we make a sandcastle? That sounds like a good idea. Wow, that's a great wall. We're definitely getting started. This is lots of fun, but I don't want to build a sandcastle. I don't either. I want to jump in it. I want to jump in it too. Let's jump in it. Wow. Oh, this is so much fun. I want to get one of those big dump trucks to play with. What about the excavator? That could be lots of fun. Yeah, here, why don't you go over and get it and bring it over here? Great, that sounds like a great idea. I'm gonna hurry so no one will see me. Peppa! You're scooping me up! Good thing I have on my hard hat. Peppa, put me down. I'm gonna tell Mom. Oh, come on. Tell me it's not fun. Oh, it is kind of fun. Okay, it's fun. Here, we're gonna drop you now. Choo-hoo! Peppa! Wow, this is a lot of fun, George. I agree, it's lots and lots of fun. I bet Papa's gonna tell us it's time to go soon. Okay, kids, the train is nearly here. We're gonna have to go get in the train and go home. Oh, Papa, do we have to? Yes, kids, we really need to get to bed. It's been a long day. Oh, I am getting kind of hungry. Are we going to eat something? We're going to eat when we get home. When we get home, but I'm hungry now. Well, then, we better go. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.